In the realm of power tools, Bosch stands as a beacon of innovation, reliability, and excellence. Their range of angle grinders exemplifies this commitment, offering tools that are not only powerful but also designed with the user's needs at heart. Take, for instance, the Bosch series grinder. This compact yet formidable grinder boasts a powerful motor, ensuring that tasks like grinding metal or cutting through concrete are executed with precision and ease.
This is the powerful GWS 22230JH Professional Angle Grinder, the all-rounder for a wide range of applications. The GWS 22230JH Professional offers fast work progress thanks to the 2,200-watt Champion motor and its low weight. The anti-rotation protective guard reliably protects you if the grinding disc breaks. The restart protection prevents the tool from automatically restarting after a power cut. For you, this means greater user protection. The compact, powerful tool for the toughest applications, the GWS 22230JH Professional.
For those tackling more demanding projects, the Bosch GWS series grinder is a game changer. With its cyclone tech, it effectively removes up to 90% of dust from the cooling air, significantly extending the motor's lifespan. This feature, combined with its robust build, makes it an ideal choice for heavy-duty tasks. Then there's the Bosch GWS series grinder, a powerhouse equipped with a powerful brushless motor. Designed for the most challenging applications, it offers unparalleled performance, longevity, and user protection. Its protection switch and kickback control ensure that safety is never compromised, even during the most intensive operations. In South Africa, where quality tools are essential for both professional and personal projects, Bosch's angle grinders have become a trusted companion. Their durability ensures that they withstand the test of time, while their performance guarantees that every job is executed to perfection. In conclusion, investing in a Bosch angle grinder is more than just purchasing a tool, it's about embracing a legacy of excellence. It's about ensuring that every cut, grind, or polish is executed with precision, safety, and efficiency. Let Bosch be the partner that elevates your craft to new heights.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like the video. Visit forhome.co.za.
forhome.co.za, online shopping the easy way.